Welcome back, all. Mr. Fixer coming at you. Hey, look, I've got Home Depot Siege reviews I got to get done. There's some plumbing fixtures for shower and for your sink. I'm just going to go through them. I don't have anywhere to install them right now, so what I'm going to do is just go through and show you the parts involved in the package and describe to you what you may need to do for installation. This right here is a shower package. It's got the overhead shower, the handheld. It comes in like a suitcase. You can see the handle was here. I broke it off. But anyway, these parts in here probably won't work with any other. Like you can't switch it out like the one you have in your shower right now. This basically is a new design that I've seen that goes all together as a set. It involves the mixing valve, the shower head, the handheld, and everything you need. First off here is the shower head, which is pretty nice. This is one of those rain shower heads. Now, I don't recommend these unless you have, a bigger shower where you get out of the way, because this thing is going to pour down in this area the whole time. So I like to step out of the water, soap up, and and then spray off. Unless you've got this head and you turn the water off, soap up, and then turn the water back on, you can also do that. But I've seen bigger heads. This shower head's pretty good. It's one of those rainfall shower heads. Okay, so that's pretty decent. It all comes in the packaging, so it stays pretty nice. You've got your instructions. So this is your mixing valve. This is a plastic mixing valve as compared to a brass one. This has your inlets. You got your cold and your hot. You've got some plumber's tape to use. You should always use plumber's tape or use the liquid Teflon that I've got in my other videos. You can use that also, but you have to use something, because with the water you have to seal all those little cracks in the threads. So you're going to want to use something, and you don't want to get this all together in the wall and then have it leak. So take all the precautions you can. Use some liquid Teflon, or use your Teflon tape. These here are just covers. Okay, so there's two screws on here. You're just going to use this to get the idea where to mount it into the wall and everything. But these two screws come out, and you're going to pull this off, and then you'll have all your stems involved for your shut-off and all. Like I said, it comes in a little suitcase. It's all involved in this foam. So you're going to have your shower head handheld here. Now see how different that looks? It almost looks like a remote. This is the new style, I guess. You always wonder because I looked at the stuff my parents used, and it was like, oh my God, that is so old. Well, now we're getting to the point where I'm so old, and everything that we used is so old. So I guess all the younger people are saying, wow, that's so old. Everybody has his time, right? This right here is your this is your stem that comes out of the wall for your shower head, the main head. Okay, so this is going to come straight out. Make sure it's high enough, and then this will mount right on here. Okay, that's going to mount onto here. And that's going to stick out straight like this. Okay, and that's going to be your rainfall shower head. Now also included, this is your face plate. Okay, so this is going to go, make sure that you measure so your stems are sticking out. You want to take the final from the tile that you're going to be putting on and everything and mount this inside your 2x4s, okay? And then this is going to be your face plate. Okay, so this is your hot and your cold and everything. Okay, and the turn on and shut off for your overhead shower. Okay, you've got hardware here for installing your valve. Probably won't remember where all this goes back to. This is your knob. Okay, this is going to go on your mixing valve after it's all put together. You're going to have your face plate over top of your tile finish or whatever finish you have, and then this is going to be your knob up here. Okay. These are your decorator covers for where your shower is going to come out of the wall. In other words, where this stem comes out of the wall, you're going to have one of these on there, okay, to cover your hole. You've got your this stuff all is pretty heavy, so it's pretty well made. This right here, okay, this is going to go into your outlet for your shower handheld. Okay, so your handheld is going to be connected down here on the bottom of your mixing valve, okay, and then you're going to have mount this. This is going to have your handheld hooked to it from here. Here's your hose right here for the handheld, okay. It's one of those real flexible ones, so you don't have to worry about it getting all straight on you, and then you can't really maneuver it. This is going to go onto your handheld, okay, and then the other side will go into your mounting bracket right here, okay. So that's basically it. Like I said, you have everything involved here. It's such a different design. You're going to want to get the whole package and use it in your shower. If you're redoing your shower, you're going to have to take the whole wall down where your fixture is and redo, put all your mixing valve and all inside the wall, and you're going to have to redo the whole wall on that side. Like I said, you're not going to be able to mix most of this with the stuff you have now because it is so different and modern. So this is exclusively a site pickup for your new shower, or if you're redoing your old shower and you're ripping out the one wall, this would be great for you. Okay, I like the design. Now, like I said, I'm not able to put it up in place yet, but I wanted to go over and review all the parts that come with it, so that if you have questions when you're searching online, you'll be able to figure out what you have here and what you're going to need. This is basically the whole kit, like I stated before. Okay, so this is trying to get the name of this. You've got the name on the internet, so, but you got your warranty card and everything here. Okay. I forget the I forget the actual name of it, but you obviously know the name because you're watching this video. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll help you any way I can. And like I said, this is the full thing. It does have the mixing valve and all. So you're going to want to install the whole kit together and give it a try. It is a lot different from, what I'm familiar with. But like I said, as you get older, they're going to come up with different innovations and different systems, different styles. Got it? This is a shower faucet, the whole thing. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for coming and watching my video. I hope this was helpful. If you have any, anything that could help me out, that would be more helpful in the video to help you, leave them in the comments, and I'll try to include that in my little review here. Thanks for coming. Like I said, like, subscribe, would you? Share the video.